So today we're going to answer this question. When is the product a positive number or a negative number? Just like we're going to have to answer on our final test. When we read the story problem, we're looking for, what do we need to find? What did we underline? What do we need to find? Rain. Ooh, you're right. That's the correct statement. But I mean in this story problem specifically, what are we looking for? What are we trying to find? What did we underline? What are the verbs? What do they want us to do in our story problem? We went through and underlined our verbs and what we know. Jocelyn? We need to know what integer that what? Good. The integer that represents the change. The total change. And we know it happened for 3 months. So do you see how this is now connecting when we underline our verbs and star the important information? What do we need to find? That's the verb. What are we doing? And the stars are what we already know. Do you see how I'm connecting our markings in the story problem to what we're doing? We are going to have to keep doing that. I'm noticing that on Alex, our story problems, those are the ones that are kind of messing up some people up and taking a lot more time. It's because we're learning to be careful, more careful readers. Okay? What's going to happen is we're going to do that with chips again. Okay? The integer, what integer represents a decrease of 4 students? There's supposed to be a line there. You can't see it. What integer represents a decrease in 4 students? What integer represents a decrease in 4 students per month? It's a number. It's an integer. Someone tell me? Someone said it. Thank you. It's -4. After 3 months, the total change will be 3 times -4, because it's going down 4, down 4, down 4. We're adding that same number over and over and over 3 times. So we're adding 3 sets, 3 groups of 4 negative counters is what that says. It didn't copy as well as I'd hoped. So this number is how many sets. This one is how many counters are in each set. So when we look at this, this is 4 students in month 1. Here's 4 decreasing students in month 2, and here's a decrease of 4 students in group 3. How many negative counters are there? How many negatives are there? Rain. Positive or negative, Rain? Yes. -12. So, and it's 3 groups of 4 negatives, right? You see how it's connected to our number sentence? So 3 times a decrease of 4 students is what? How many? -12. So we are using our counters just like we did for addition and subtraction. But what we're looking for today is a pattern that tells us when the product is positive and when the product is negative. You are looking for a pattern because no one wants to keep drawing these stupid chips, right? And you're going to draw some chips today, and it's awful. No one likes it. This part makes sense to me, Mrs. Smith. This picture makes sense to me. I have 3 months, and in each month I have a decrease of 4 students. I can't do it by myself, but it makes sense. Yes or no? Yes. Okay.